And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a very excited one. It is my 2019 fitness planner from Happy Planner. I love her fitness planner, so I'm really excited about this one because it came with gold coils and everything, and it's really cute. So I will show you what I picked up. I did order on launch day, so I actually had this sitting in a box ready to film for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna move this. So the first thing in here is a monthly habit tracker. So let me pull it out of, so I pulled out quite a few because I couldn't just grab one for some reason. So this says a monthly habit tracker. So she gives you some like columns, I guess you would say, where you can write out different habits. So like water, vitamins, exercise, and you can kind of just mark it off. And then on the back you can make some list, and I like that because I'm just going to snap it in so I can track my vitamins and exercise and all that good stuff. The next thing I picked up was the Healthy Hero book. I would return this honestly if I didn't love some of the stickers. I'm not crazy about like the clothes. I'm not exactly sure. I do like the Snickers can like represent something, but I'm not exactly sure what like the sports bra, the t-shirt, the gym bag, and the pants are supposed to represent. I'd rather had some motivational quotes if you ask me. I do like the water bottles, the weights. Let's see what else we got. One of my stickers got messed up. Oh well. That's cute, like a little Apple Watch and a little heart. Then we have basically just some workout stickers. There's like rest day, goal, cheat day at the gym. These were some workouts, and then some meals. Then we have some quotes, which you know, I love a good quote. These are my favorite, so she could just do like some of these. Then she gave like some stickers that say goal, because days that I achieved the goal I'm feeling. So those are cute. I'm not exactly sure what those are for. How you're feeling stickers. I love these stickers, the clear ones that have just the pop of color on them. So workout, gym hair, don't care. Put your heart into it. Live yourself. Let yourself rest. Don't quit. One workout at a time. Some really cute motivational quotes if you ask me. And you need to have that in your fitness planner. And then you have some steps, floors, miles, and miles and calories and stuff like that, so you can track all that good stuff in the planner. So, and then you have your hero. If anybody wants this sheet, let me know. I'll send it to you because it's not my favorite. And any of the other ones like these, let me know and I'll send them to you because they're not going to get used. The next thing I picked up was these divider dashboards. So I mainly got them for these. It says positive thinking, positive outcome, and then this little divider. Like I'm not a big fan of this one. I feel like she could have done something a little bit different, but it's cute. It's just not for me. So these are my favorite. I really like them, and I like how cute they are. So this is what I was excited about. I think this is so cute. And once again, I'm sorry about the glare. I'll hurry up and turn it. It says, I can and I will, in this pretty gold foil. And it says, hello, Healthy Hero. This Happy Planner belongs to. So one thing that is negative about this whole planner is these stars. I hate them so much. I don't know why I hate them. I just do not like them. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it, but that's not why I got the planner. I got the planner to track my food and stuff like that. So this year, her layout is very different from the years previous. It says today, focus, food log, and exercise. So she only gave you this much to track the food. Then she did get February goals, what inspires me, how I'm strengthening my body. So she did say this was going to be a more wellness and fitness planner combined. I'm not a big fan of it. I just liked the dated. I think she still offers the undated and the old layout, but I like to have dated, so it's the price to pay. Pretty dividers. They're very inspirational. I don't care for that one, but like I really like this one. So then we get to the back, and it says, be healthy, be active, be happy. We have a 30-day self-care challenge, so that's cool. We have, for 30 days, I will work on sheets. I really like this. Really, really like this. And it says time to reflect. I love how she adds different sheets like this, like things I wouldn't think about. You know, like it's really nice to have in a happy planner. I think she does it to all of them. So we have quite a few of those. And then we have that. So really, really simple, but I like it. But like I said, the only negative thing about this whole planner is those stars on every month. I'm not a big fan. And then what I'm going to do is just how I'll set it up. I'll do this as my little page flipper, and then I'll add this, and then I'll be good to go for the week. And then probably will use this for my monthly, even though I don't really need it, but it would just be cute right there. Really, really cute. Alrighty guys, that was my Happy Planner Fitness haul. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys for the next Planner Monday video. Bye!